along with my squash. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do me some chicken, some little chicken wings, chicken legs, and I'm still on my Ninja. I love my Ninja. I didn't put on no gloves today, but I don't have no long nails anymore, so I'm using my own ones. And I'm gonna put it up on 2. That's to cook both sides, and then you're gonna put match. You gotta put match to cook both sides. You have to put match 1, and then you need to put it up on if you're gonna air fry, air ball, roast. Always air fry. So I put it on air fry. All right, so now I mixed it up. Now I'm about to put the chicken in. And season on. I season it real good. Put it in there like that. I put maybe like 4 pieces, 4 or 5. See, that's enough in there. Some people put more. That's just what I put. Then I close it. And make sure you put it up on a hard surface. Nothing with no material. Because this thing get 450 in heat. So I put them in there. Put them in there. And that's it. And I season real good. Leftover season. Okay. And that's what we're going to have with the squash. And I did some noodles. So you could put it on what you want it on. I usually keep it on 390 for the time. I'm doing 20 minutes for the time. And I put it up on, you can put 19 or whatever you want. 390, that's how you turn it up. So let's go 25 minutes. That's what we're going to put it on. And start. So we're going to go 25 minutes on 390 to see what happens. Brenda Teal 911 on YouTube. Thank you guys.